Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. In a bustling coffee shop, a barista surprises a customer by offering a free drink, spreading joy with a simple act of kindness. Meanwhile, a group of children play harmoniously in a playground, sharing their toys and laughter under the bright sun. In a community shelter, a woman dedicates her time to serve food, her warm smile lighting up the room. Nearby, an elderly man enjoys a peaceful moment reading, when a young girl brightens his day by gifting him a delicate flower. A diverse group of neighbors unites for a community cleanup, sharing smiles and friendly conversations as they work together. A heartfelt, handwritten note on a car windshield expresses appreciation, accompanied by vibrant flowers that brighten the moment. In a cheerful setting, a man delights his friend with a thoughtful birthday gift, sparking joy and laughter all around. Meanwhile, an artist passionately paints a stunning mural on a city wall, drawing admiration from passers-by who appreciate the beauty being created. In a warm, inviting kitchen, a mother joyfully teaches her child the art of baking cookies, with flour floating playfully in the sunlit air. Outside, a spirited group of teenagers hosts a charity car wash, laughing and cooperating as they raise funds to support their local animal shelter. Around a dining table, a loving family shares a meal, filling the room with laughter and heartfelt stories over delectable home-cooked dishes. At an outdoor concert, attendees dance joyously together, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere as the sun sets gracefully behind them. In a lively classroom, a dedicated teacher connects with her students, fostering creativity amidst vibrant art and learning materials. Outside, a group collaboratively plants seeds in a community garden, their hands working together enthusiastically under the bright blue sky. On a picturesque nature trail, a couple strolls hand in hand, enveloped by vibrant greenery and blooming wildflowers that enhance their romantic outing. Meanwhile, a young child brightens the day of elderly residents at a nursing home by delivering heartfelt homemade cards, spreading joy and smiles throughout the room. With a sense of heroism, a firefighter carefully rescues a frightened kitten from a tall tree, while a mesmerized crowd watches, filled with admiration and concern. In a nearby park, an elderly man sits on a bench, enchanting a group of curious children with his stories, their faces lit with wonder and joy. In a bustling soup kitchen, a young woman dedicates her time to serve warm meals, her smile bringing comfort to the grateful patrons patiently waiting in line. Meanwhile, a mother cradles her newborn baby in her arms, her heart overflowing with joy as she lovingly gazes at the tiny miracle she has brought into the world. Under a starlit sky, a close-knit group of friends huddle around a crackling campfire, roasting marshmallows and exchanging stories that warm their hearts. Nearby, an artist brings vibrant colors to life as they paint a large mural on a building, igniting inspiration in the eyes of captivated children who watch in amazement. In a bright classroom, a dedicated teacher kneels beside a student, providing gentle guidance and encouragement as they collaborate on an exciting project. Outside, a vibrant community garden buzzes with activity where people of different ages join hands to plant flowers and vegetables, sharing laughter and a sense of togetherness. In a beautifully decorated hall, a passionate woman coordinates a charity event, her volunteers moving energetically to ensure everything is ready for the influx of guests. A child clutches a handmade thank you card tightly, their face beaming with joy as they gaze up at the kind-hearted individual who offered them support and encouragement. On a well-lit stage, a woman inspires her audience with heartfelt words, surrounded by a backdrop adorned with motivational quotes that resonate deeply. In a nearby park, a diverse group of individuals stands together in a circle, joyfully holding hands as they unite in purpose before embarking on a meaningful community service project.